In 2026, Google has officially moved past the chatbot era and into the agentic era. With the release of Gemini 3, Google AI is no longer just something you talk to, it's a system that takes action for you. Here's the breakdown of the most significant shifts in the Google AI ecosystem this year. 1. Gemini 3, the new standard of intelligence. Released in early 2026, Gemini 3 has replaced the older Gemini 1.5 and 2.0 models as the default engine across all Google products. It features two breakthrough modes. Deep Think mode. Available for Google AI Ultra subscribers, this mode is designed for PhD-level reasoning. It doesn't just guess. It iterates through a chain of thought to verify its logic, making it the industry leader for scientific research and complex coding. Gemini Live with Project Astra. Your universal AI assistant now has spatial intelligence. You can share your phone's camera feed in real time, and Gemini can see your surroundings, remember where you left your keys, or help you fix a mechanical problem by highlighting parts on your screen. 2. The rise of agentic autonomy. The biggest buzzword in 2026 is agentic AI. Google is no longer providing just answers. It is deploying autonomous workflow agents, AWAs. Project Mariner. This agent lives in your Chrome browser. You can give it a command like, "Find 3 apartments in Lisbon that fit my budget and my gym schedule," and add them to a comparison table in Docs, and watch as it navigates websites, clicks buttons, and fills out forms on your behalf. Google Workspace Studio, a core service that allows you to design and share your own AI agents, called GEMs. These agents can automate entire business processes, like an invoice agent that extracts data from your Gmail and automatically updates your Google Sheets. 3. Multimedia Mastery. Lyria 3 and Veo 3. Google has integrated its high-end generative models directly into the Gemini app for 2026. Lyria 3, AI Music. You can now generate 30-second high-fidelity music tracks using just a text prompt, e.g., a comical R&B slow jam about a lost sock. Every track is automatically watermarked with Synthety for transparency. Veo 3.1, AI Video. Cinematic video generation is now standard. You can create 4K, 1080p, or native vertical videos for YouTube Shorts directly within the Gemini interface. 5. The verdict: Google as an audio-visual OS. In 2026, Google has successfully killed the traditional voice assistant. The classic Google Assistant is gone, fully replaced by Gemini. Whether you're using Magic Queue on a Pixel phone to anticipate your daily tasks or using Notebook LM to turn 1,000 research papers into a podcast, Google AI has become an invisible, proactive layer over our digital lives. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified on daily updates.